In this video, our focus will be on getting the doorbell camera connected to the Ultrasync hub so that the video feed can be used using the Ultrasync app. We'll touch lightly on the main steps of installing the doorbell camera hardware, but will not cover that part of the installation in depth. For additional instructions on the hardware installation, please consult the installation guide or setup wizard. On a mobile device, open the Ultrasync app and enter a site as an installer. From the overview screen, select the menu icon. Near the bottom of the menu screen, select New Device Setup, and then select New Doorbell Camera. Be sure the power supply for the doorbell chime is rated between 16 and 24 volt AC, and that power to the doorbell has been shut off at the main breaker. Next, remove the existing doorbell button, making sure to leave as much of the existing wires as possible. Before making any connections to the doorbell wires, you'll need to determine if either the up-down or left-right angle bracket need to be installed in order to adjust the camera's viewing angle in the desired direction. For this installation, we're not using either of the angle brackets. Next, connect the existing wires to the terminals on the rear assembly of the doorbell camera. Polarity is not a concern. Note if wires are too short, use included lead wires and connectors. Please note that if no electrical or mechanical doorbell chime is installed, you will need to connect the supplied resistor to one of the wires. You are now ready to mount the doorbell body to the wall using the included hardware. When you've completed the installation of the hardware, restore power to the doorbell at the main breaker. You are now ready to get the doorbell camera online and connected to the Ultrasync hub. Note the Ultrasync hub must already be installed and online. Start by making sure the doorbell camera is powered on. The doorbell LED should be slowly blinking blue. Next, we need to connect the mobile device to the doorbell camera. This is done by changing the Wi-Fi setting on the mobile device so that it is connected to the camera. On the mobile device, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. The camera will show up under the list of wireless networks as RS32XX, followed by the camera's serial number. Select the doorbell camera from the list and enter the camera's serial number as the camera's network password. After establishing a Wi-Fi connection between your mobile device and the camera, return to the Ultrasync app and click Continue. The app will now connect to the camera and you will see a success message. Select Continue. Next, the username and password for the camera need to be entered. The username should auto-populate admin. You will then enter a password of your choosing. Note, we recommend using a strong password. Then select Continue. Remember to record change made to username and password for future use. Next, the wireless network name and password will be auto-populated based on the Wi-Fi configuration in the hub. If Wi-Fi has not been configured in the hub, enter the home router's Wi-Fi name and password in the mobile app manually. Select Continue after confirming the home router's information. The doorbell camera is now connected to the wireless network and is ready to be synced to the Ultrasync hub. Next, select Sync Cameras and Hub and then select Perform Camera Sync. Note this step may take several minutes. When you see the Sync Complete screen, the connection between the doorbell camera and hub has been made. On this screen, you may edit the name of the doorbell camera by selecting the pencil icon next to the camera's default name. Note, if installing multiple cameras, be sure to check the list to ensure that all cameras are showing as having been synced. If cameras are missing, run the Sync Cameras and Hub process again. Enter the desired name in the field and select Done. Select Continue. You've completed the doorbell camera setup. Selecting Done will return you to the overview screen. Note the LED on the doorbell will be solid white, indicating that the camera is now connected. You may now navigate to the camera's screen in the Ultrasync app and adjust resolution, clip timing, and enable motion detection.